When you think dependable, top-quality agricultural products, think 4Ag Manufacturing. 4Ag is quickly becoming a leader in agricultural products manufacturing. With our patent-pending tough proprietary composition, our gauge wheels are built to stand up to stubble and outlast the competition. The 4Ag gauge wheel is designed to make installation a breeze. Our gauge wheels are precision machined parts, eliminating the need for a press and making installation easy with less downtime. We make parts you can trust. That's why 4Ag gauge wheels fit all makes and models of planters and air seeders, which come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. 4Ag is not only a leading manufacturer in the gauge wheel market, we have manufactured a fully assembled closing wheel as well. Our patent-pending closing wheel is becoming the choice for farmers looking for an affordable closing system to get maximum results. The 4Ag closing wheel has been field tested in multiple areas, from no-till operation to conventional till. Here at 4Ag, we are dedicated to making durable, high-quality products and doing our part to bring manufacturing back to the United States. You can count on 4Ag products because they're made by farmers for farmers. When doing business with 4Ag, you're not only getting a great product, you're supporting manufacturers here at home. When you choose 4Ag, you're choosing the American craftsmanship, quality, and dependability you deserve. 4Ag Manufacturing, made by farmers for farmers.